Good morning, everyone. How has been your Karwa Chauth? I hope you are all fresh and you enjoyed the entire ritual. My name is Aarti Pandey and I'm the founder of Folk Fitness, and I'm on a mission to have freedom from PCOS naturally. तो मैंने बहुत सारे ब्लॉग्स पढ़े कल, बहुत लोग करवा चौथ का मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. Today also a lot of people are putting messages that if wife keeps the fast, how does the husband get benefited, etc. etc. तो करवा चौथ और उसके पीछे का scientific effect, how does it impact the women, how is it connected to the moon, what are the cycle of 29.5 days. I'm going to cover all of this, but not today. It's amazing to see लोग Halloween बहुत अच्छे से मना रहे हैं, लेकिन करवा चौथ पे मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. It just shows how much influence the West is getting on us and how we are getting influenced by them, enjoying their, festivals and rituals and making fun of ours. But that's not the topic of the day. Today, I'm going to speak about a substance which the food industry has very conveniently added to our life. आप सोचो आपको कैसा लगेगा अगर आप रोज उस हाई में रहोगे जैसे आपने अल्कोहल पी हो या आपने कोकेन या कोई ड्रग लिया हो विदाउट यू इवन टेकिंग अल्कोहल और कोकेन. आई एम स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ. ऐसा एक सब्सटेंस है जो ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सिंगल फूड आइटम में आजकल डाला जाता है, जो आपके ब्रेन को इम्पैक्ट नहीं करता है, which means that your motor skills, like you feel hangover after alcohol the next day, or after few pegs you start feeling a little dizzy, because the alcohol that you consume, 10% of it impacts your brain cells, right? And that's when it hits the brain, you start realizing a little high, a little tipsy. The same with cocaine. But there is a substance that the food industry has been able to invent, which when put in any kind of food gives you a high. It releases dopamine, which is released with the kind of intake of drugs or alcohol. So any guesses what I'm talking about? Now this substance is extracted from plants like cane and sugar beet, and it's refined into a white crystallized like substance. आप अगर मुझे सुन रहे हो तो जल्दी से कमेंट बॉक्स में डालो मैं किस सब्सटेंस की बात कर रही हूँ, और अगर बाद में सुनने वाले हो तो दिस सब्सटेंस इज शुगर. एब्सोल्युटली राइट, शुगर जो आज हर घर में पाई जाती है, हर मील में इसका सेवन होता है. बट डू यू गाइज नो दैट दिस शुगर हैज नो न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू, जीरो. इट हैज नो न्यूट्रिएंट्स, नो मिनरल्स, नो प्रोटीन, नो फाइबर. And this is exactly why it makes sugar empty calories. It makes sugar empty calories. And I will attach an article which I want all of you to read on your own, which speaks about how Indian mills are pushing the nutritionist and the fitness influencer to speak about the positives of sugar. Because sugar intake is being reducing in our country, उसे बढ़ाने के लिए आप देखिएगा आजकल all celebrity nutritionists are also speaking about the benefits of sugar. But let me tell you, the benefit that they are talking about, it gives you energy, it is required for your brain. That is not that you get from the white sugar. White sugar is equivalent to poison. Do you know, because of this empty calories of sugar and this lack of nutrients, it makes you feel more hungry. So it just doesn't fill you up with more empty calories, but it wants you to keep having more of these calories. और आपको पता है एक और बात इस शुगर के बारे में, this sugar blocks leptin. Now what is leptin? Leptin is a hormone which is in charge of telling us that we are full, कि आपका पेट अब भर चुका है. It is also the hormone which tells you that you have enough energy to go out and either work out or release this energy. But जब आप sugar खाते हो, sugar's consumption blocks this hormone from doing its job and from reaching the brain. What does it do then? You end up eating more and more and more. और जैसे मैंने start में कहा guys, something which is very scary, that sugar is as addictive as cocaine, and its addiction is why? Because it also releases the neurotransmitter dopamine, जो अपने बॉडी अपने ब्रेन का रिवॉर्ड सिस्टम है. तो हर बार आप शुगर खाते हो, बहुत सारा चीज अंदर होता है, and it reaches the brain and the brain is asked, should I do more of it? Are we enjoying? And the answer is yes, it's yummy, it's releasing dopamine, so you eat more of sugar. And guess what? This consumption comes without the immediate social repercussions. आप सुबह सुबह तो कोकेन नहीं ले सकते हो, आप अपने मदर इन लॉ या फादर इन लॉ के सामने कोकेन नहीं ले सकते हो, राइट? और एनी अदर ड्रग फॉर दैट मैटर. बट चाय के अंदर शक्कर, कैफेटेरियाज में शुगर पाउचेस, बरिस्ता में, सीसीडी में, हमारे घर में राशन की लिस्ट में हम ऑफिशियली लिखते हैं 2 किलो, 3 किलो, 4 किलो शुगर. यहाँ सिर्फ हम नहीं खा रहे, हमारे बच्चे, हमारे पेरेंट्स सब बैठ के उस शुगर को ले रहे हैं जो अडिक्टिव है और जिसका रिजल्ट slowly and steadily is doing the same result. I will not even talk about weight loss. I will not even talk about what it's doing internally, about cancer, diabetes, all of it, because ये सबको मालूम है. मगर ये नहीं मालूम है कि कैसे फूड इंडस्ट्री ने इसे अडिक्टिव बना दिया है. अब जैसे हमारे बच्चों के नाम नहीं होते, बेबी, बाबू, सोनू, दादी कुछ और नाम से बुलाएगी, पापा कुछ और नाम से बुलाएंगे. डू यू नो दैट शुगर के भी ऐसे निकनेम्स रखे हैं फूड इंडस्ट्री में? और 1, 2, 5, 6 नहीं, 77 nicknames हैं शुगर के. 77, yeah, I am sure you're going to Google it. Please do. Otherwise, on our website also, I have put a list of this sugar. And this is not it, guys. It's hiding in almost every second packaged food in a grocery industry. तो अगर आप किसी ग्रोसरी स्टोर जाते हो और आप बोलते हो आरती मैं व्हाइट शुगर डायरेक्टली तो नहीं खा रही हूँ, बट आप इसे किसी ना किसी नाम के जरिए खा रहे हो. एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू चेक द इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ एनी पैकेज फूड. फ्रुक्टोज, सुक्रोज, ग्लूकोज, मेपल सिरप, कॉर्न सिरप, ब्राउन शुगर, ब्राउन राइस सिरप, माली मॉल्ट, ऐसे बहुत सारे 77 एलियसेस हैं शुगर के. एंड यू विल बी अमेज्ड टू फाइंड इट इवन इन द सो कॉल्ड हेल्दी फूड आइटम्स. आपके जो ओट्स होते हैं, द ग्रेनोला बार्स, कितने सारे हेल्दी बाइट्स आप खाते हो, उस सब के अंदर शुगर है. यू नो ये वो शुगर ही है दैट मेक्स दैट कुकी च्यूई, इट मेक्स द कैंडी क्रंची, इट इवन टर्न्स द ब्रेड इनटू अ गोल्डन क्रस्ट ब्राउन. इट्स अ ग्रेट प्रेजर्वेटिव. दैट्स व्हाई आप देखोगे कि ये पैकेज फूड में पाया जाता है. इट डजंट स्पॉइल, इट डजंट इवेपोरेट. So the food in which it's added, it's easier to store for longer period of time. So अगर कोई आपको ये कहे कि you will start thinking कि मैं white sugar ऐसे consume नहीं करती हूँ, but packaged food के अंदर 77 names हैं जिसकी वजह से sugar intake होती है. And अब आप ये note करना on Instagram, on Facebook, you will see a lot of influencers and nutritionists talking about the benefits of sugar. Please understand and read this article that I'm going to attach. They are being told to speak on the positives because the consumption of sugar, white sugar in India is reducing. So they want to increase it. But please understand how addictive sugar is, and that's why you cannot stop having that one chip because you want to have the whole packet of chips. It's addictive. It's releasing dopamine from your brain, which is making you feel good. But this feel good is screwing up your entire health system. It's screwing up your digestive system. It's killing your brain cells slowly. Now, please don't mistake me. I am not telling you कि आप sugar खाना बंद कर दो मतलब sweets खाना बंद कर दो. I am not telling you to stop having dessert. Tomorrow, I'm going to speak about the alternatives of sugar. अगर आप white sugar अपनी life से निकालते हो तो उसकी जगह आप क्या खा सकते हो. And second, today I want you to do an exercise. Are you addicted to sugar? Find that out. How will you find that out? Please write down in how many meals in a day there is a direct or indirect intake of sugar. For a day, just from today till tomorrow, check out everything that you're eating. उसके अंदर sugar है या नहीं. Second thing you'll do is you'll write down क्या मैं इस consumption के बिना रह सकती हूँ या रह सकता हूँ. Which means if you're having sugar in your tea and coffee, can you start being without tea and coffee without sugar? If the answer is yes, great. If the answer is no, don't worry. In tomorrow's live, I'm going to talk about how can you overcome this addiction of sugar and eliminate this sugar from your life for good. If you like this content, please put a thumbs up or a message so that I know that you're listening to me. Please know that I'm not here to be a popular person, but I'm here to give you the right information. A lot of nutritionists are telling you, सब खाओ, कुछ नहीं होगा, because actually उन्हें कुछ नहीं होगा. But I'm here to tell you the right and the wrong for your body. So keep listening to me. Thank you very much.